Hey everyone, ready to become a digital detective? I'm going to show you how to solve this week's Curiosity Corner challenge and build your research skills at the same time.
First, let's look at our mission. The question is, John Chapman, who planted apple seeds across the United States, was also known as. The most important words here, our keywords, are John Chapman and apple seeds. Keep those in your head.
Now it's time to start our investigation. When you click this button, it's not going to take you directly to the answer. Instead, it's opening up a powerful research tool for you to use, just like a real detective. Our mission is to find the answer inside this database. The best place to start is the search bar at the top. Let's try typing in one of our keywords. I'll start with John Chapman. Okay, here are our search results. This first article about John Chapman looks like a great place to start. Let's click it. Now let's read through this article and see if we can find his other name. And look, right here, it says Johnny Appleseed was born John Chapman. Also, later in the article, it confirms that he was known as Johnny Appleseed. We found it. So let's get back to the Curiosity Corner and see if we got it right. Click on the green Submit Your Answer button. On this page, you have the option to enter your name and a box to type your answer. Let's give it a try and type Johnny Appleseed, and then click Check My Answer. Woohoo! That was right, and we get to play a fun game. But what if we get it wrong? Let's say we had trouble finding the right source and thought the answer was Johnny Apple. Don't worry, Curiosity Corner will give you a hint to keep you on track. Now, here's a challenge. Do you have an idea for a great question for the rest of JCPS and want to share it on Curiosity Corner? We've got a button for that. Click the blue Submit Your Question button and fill out the form. You may need to ask your librarian for help, but if your question is chosen, every kid in the city will see your question and that it was submitted by you. Remember, kids, stay curious.